Hello mates, I am Kiran Jadhav here. In this session, I will teach you typecasting concept in Java. Typecasting it means convert one data type into another data type. In Java, there are two types of typecasting in Java. There is upcasting and downcasting. Upcasting it means lower to higher and downcasting it means higher to lower. Then we will first come up with the theory part. Like typecasting it means convert one type into another type. It means you can simply say convert one data type into another data type. And in Java, there are two types of typecasting. First one is upcasting and second one is downcasting. Upcasting also known as widening and downcasting also known as narrowing. Then upcasting it means lower that type into a higher that type conversion, and downcasting it means higher that type into a lower that type conversion. Then best example of upcasting here, into double. Int is lower and double is higher. It means lower to higher. And upcasting happens automatically. We are not getting any compilation problem and there is no any data loss. And converts lower to higher data type, that calls, you can simply say, upcasting. And upcasting conversion order here like byte short, then int, long, float, double. This is, you can simply say, like conversion order we have available, like lower to higher. And downcasting, like the best example here, double to int. Double it means higher, int is lower. It means higher to lower. That's called downcasting. Then downcasting is not happens like automatically. You can simply say it's not automatic, and there will be some data loss also happens, like data loss may be occur, and converts higher type into the lower data types. That's called downcasting. And the downcasting conversion order is like higher to lower. It means double, float, long, int, short, the byte. Then coming to practical example here, for that perspective we'll come up with the Eclipse. Simply come up with the file, new, dynamic web project. The application name I'm giving here, TypeCasting Concept. See, our application is created successfully. Now coming to src main Java, right click on that, new package. The package name I'm giving here, com.fullstack.core. Com it means OS level, core level package. Full stack it means our company name. Core it means we are learning the core Java. Now right click on package, new Java class. The Java class name I'm giving here, typecasting. You can simply say this is the best example of upcasting example. Then here I am creating the main method, and inside that I am adding here integer. You can simply say emp salary. We'll give the emp salary as 97,000. Then we are adding here double. This will be employee salary equal to emp salary. Then here we are converting into double. It means this emp salary is the integer type here, and we are trying to convert into double employee salary. That's called upcasting. And upcasting it means lower to higher. Lower to higher. Here int it means lower and double it means higher. That's called, you can simply say, upcasting. Now I am just going to print here. This will be employee salary. It will print the output, and the output as 97,000.0 because it will add the pointing value because we are converting into double. Then see on screen. See, here is our Java console output 97,000.0. That's called, you can simply say, here we have taken the example for upcasting, like lower to higher. It means int is lower and double is higher. Now coming to next example. Next is downcasting example. New Java class I am creating here. This will be downcasting example. I am creating here main method and adding here double, product have price. I am adding here price as 2,50,000.96. See, this is the like pointing value we have added here, and we are using here double. Now I am converting double to int. This will be, you can say, product have price equal to product price. Now it will give us the compile time problem because we need to convert into int, double to int. It means you can simply say this is downcasting. This is downcasting, like higher to lower. higher to lower. See, which is the higher? Higher it means double. Which is the lower? Int. Then here you need to handle manually typecast int. You can simply add. But if you want to get the suggestion from Eclipse, then you can simply mouse over there and add cast to int. Eclipse also gives the suggestions there. And simply try to print it. I'm just going to print here for price. It will add like the value is, we are converting double to int. It means we are going to lose here which value? Pointing value. It will just print 2,50,000. See one screen. It means we lost our pointing value. Okay, why? Because of downcasting, higher to lower. Like double is higher and lower is int. We lost here which value? Pointing value. We lost here 0.96. Perfect. Now coming to next. Next is new Java class I am creating here. I am just giving here typecast example, adding here main method, and now we are just adding here string, and I am giving here emp code as, suppose we'll consider emp code here, string type of value I am passing HR99. Now we are trying to convert string to int. I am giving here integer employee code equal to, you can simply consider this is emp code. It will give us the compile time problem. It means we are converting string to int, but int don't have capability to handle the alphabetic value, right? Then first we'll go ahead with the conversion string to int. Then how to convert into int string value? For that perspective you can simply use integer dot parse int and pass here string type of value as a emp code. Now it will give us the issue if I am trying to print here, this is employee code, like you can simply say employee code I am trying to print. It will give us number format exception. See, I am just trying to run this application as Java application. It will print, it will give us which exception? A runtime exception. The exception name is number format exception. I hope you got the clear cut idea here, right? Like number format exception we got at which line? The line number itself available. See, here they have given number format exception we got at line number typecast example.java line number 9, and this exception we got at runtime. That's why we are saying this is runtime exception. Anyway, we have separate session available for exception handling in upcoming dates. Then here why this exception we got? Because int don't have capability to store such a alphabetic value. That's why we got here which exception? Number format exception. Now I am just going to remove this alphabetic value. See, I am just going to remove this alphabetic value from here. Now we are able to see the output as 99 as a employee code. Perfect. Now here itself I am just trying to comment it. You can simply select and do Ctrl+Shift/. This is multi-liner comment. Now I want to convert integer to string. I am passing here int emp code equal to, you can simply say 99. Now we are adding here string, and this will be, we are considering employee code equal to emp code. Again it will give us the compile time problem. Why compile time problem? Because here this is int value we are trying to converting into string. For that perspective you can simply use string dot value of, and we are adding here int value. Now simply go ahead and print it by using printing statement. I am just trying to print here employee code. You can say like /n, and we are passing here, this will be employee code. Then it will print the value as 99. Run as Java application, see one screen. Here is employee code. It means you can convert string to int, into string, again double to string, whatever you want, like byte to short, short to byte, int to float, float to int, long to double, again whatever, right? Then you can simply follow this session, and accordingly, like keep in mind, like typecasting, it means convert one type into another type. There are two types of typecasting, upcasting and downcasting. Upcasting, it means you can simply say lower to higher, and downcasting, it means higher to lower. Best example of upcasting here into double, best example of downcasting here double to int, and this is the order like always we need to follow. For this is for upcasting, you can simply say, and this is the order we are going to follow for downcasting. I hope you got like the clarity about typecasting concept in Java, but till if you are facing any difficulties, then feel free to add your errors in comment box. and thanks for watching this video, and please do like, share, subscribe the channel to get more updates, and see you in next video.